Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Tic Techs Toe, and let me start with saying a very happy new year. It is the start of yet another decade. 2019 has been a great year for me. How has 2020 been so far for you guys? Hope everything is great. Okay, today I want to share a device that I bought last month, which is called the Kable Card. No, not Kable Car. I would have to sell my kidneys if I were to get myself a cable car. So what is a cable card? It is a multifunctional essential tool for your mobile phone. It has 6 cables in the card over here. Now it has the size of a credit card, albeit it is a little thicker than your normal credit card. And yup, it holds 6 different cables inside, believe it or not. You know what they say, it's not really about the size that matters, it is the quality. So what cables are inside? If you open the lid, you will see a 20 centimeter USB-C to USB-C cable, a micro USB adapter which you can put on or take it off, a lightning pin for Apple products, the older ones of course, a traditional USB-A adapter. So depending on your needs, you can practically adapt any of these to your mobile phones. Yep, and it's pretty much very modular. Love it. There are also 2 empty slots where you can place your nano SIM card. You have an extra SIM card when you travel, and it gives you a peace of mind to put that extra SIM card into this slot without being afraid that it might be misplaced or thrown away by mistake. You know how it works. There is also a SIM card pin tool to eject your SIM card tray on your phone. Very handy to have that anytime, anywhere. Oh, and there's more. You see this triangular looking thing shape in the middle of it? These are LED light bulbs. I'm not kidding. They are light bulbs. Yep, the cable car is also a functional torch light if you want it to be. You need to hook it to a USB power source, however, so you need to manage your expectations a little when you are operating this. Well, if you make the cable card stand upright like that and you connect it to your laptop via the USB, it becomes a functional ambient light, or as the French says it, lumière ambiante. Okay, wait, that's not all. Connect the cable card to a USB power source, such as your portable charger or your laptops, right? Just hook it into the USB port. Face the logo of the cable card upright towards the ceiling, and you have got yourself, wait for it, a wireless charging pad. Now that is freaking amazing. If you think that that's it, that's all there is to it, you cannot be more wrong, because if you open the lid of the cable card and you were to again make it stand upright like that, making it an A shape or like a 10 shape, and if you were to open this door over here, you know what it becomes? It becomes a freaking functional phone stand. What? So I totally love the intelligence that goes into developing this device. It is simply very, very brilliant. You cannot say anything more. There's a lot of genius that goes into building this thing. So having said that, there are things which I thought could be better, probably in the next iteration when 2.0 of this device comes out. The latch, where I was talking about having the phone resting here and turning it into a phone stand, if it's a little bigger, you can totally make your phone stand upright, like a vertical mode. But because the hinge is a little bit small, there's not enough surface area to go about propping up your phone vertically and making it an ideal upright position. Big phones such as my Note 10 Plus, they might slip in some ways, because it's just not enough space to prop it upright. So the ideal way to rest the phone on this latch is actually vertical mode. So if they were to make this surface area a little bit bigger, oh my god, it'll be super perfect. And the next thing I thought that could be better is the lid itself, you know, where if you open up, you can see all the content of the cable card. So when you open it up, you can find that you can't open it up all the way, you know. You are limited to only that way because there are forces and witchcraft in play that stops you from opening it up wide. There's a reason why that is so, is because to make the cable card stand like that, like a tent, like what I mentioned just now. And also don't try to force it open more than it can, because you might break the lids. So because of these limitations, you might find it a little hard for you to reach the top end of the inner place of the cable card, especially if you're trying to reach the USB-A adapter, which is right on top. So if you have fat fingers like mine, taking it out can be a little challenging. If you have small dainty fingers like my wife, no problem at all. So if the lids can be opened a little wider, perhaps, I don't know, 180 degrees instead, it'll be super awesome. And if that were to happen, I'll give this device 10/10, making it a super perfect device for techies like us. I know this is a lot to ask because at this point of time I'm basically nitpicking, but wow, this is an awesome thing to have around, especially useful if you are on the move, you're on the go like me. I go to a lot of external meetings, so instead of bringing my entire bulky gadget pouch where I store all my cables inside, or batteries and whatnot, I forgo that. I bring this instead. And the awesome thing, because it's so small and light and you have every essential things for your mobile phone that you need inside, you can put this, you can slip it inside your wallet or your purse or even your pouch, you know, because it's, oh my god, so small. Look, my hands are bigger than the cable card. Oh right, the price, I haven't talked about it yet. It is in the range of SGD $50. You can purchase it in Amazon Singapore, Lazada, Naiise has it, and that gadget place or the Kickstarter shop you can find in Millennia Walk, We the People. You can find it there also. I think the cheapest currently on the market is on Amazon Singapore. I just checked it, it's $50. I'll link all these below at the description box below, so do check it out. For my US audiences, you can get this straight directly from Amazon US. Link is also in the description box below. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. No, even before that, the like button and the notification button. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Okay, that has been the review for the cable card. Take care and bye!